pushing. I don't wanna push, but you're making this hard. I know something's going on. There's dishes in the sink and trash in the front yard. Tell me, what can I do? Do I go for a walk? Should I stay with you? I'm tired of sitting on my hands, watching what I love wilt like a houseplant. Do you feel alone in our home? 'Cause I feel alone in our home. Seems like just the other day I'd see your face and know what to say. Now I'm staring at the ground, stepping over eggshells spread all around. So tell me, what can I do? Do I tiptoe around to pick up the book? Can we slip up this mess, or did we make a minefield out of our dress? Do you feel alone in our home? 'Cause I feel alone in our home. I'm not talking if you're not talking, and you're not talking if I'm not talking. I'm not talking if you're not talking, and you're not talking, and I'm not. Do you feel alone in our home? 'Cause I feel alone in our home.
Sometimes we act like a fool. We're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool. Not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute. Stop and breathe for a minute. Bump it over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute. Bump it over your head, you're like everyone else. minute.